Where's my presentation?
Presentation? Oh, not to toot my own horn, but yeah. You have it in your email Thursday morning.
Thursday?
No, that's not soon enough. Tomorrow will be great. Oh, I gotta go.
Oh, dude, that is nasty.
Don't worry, I'll get another hose.
Fire in the hole!